Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to view document history in PandaDoc. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your PandaDoc account. And once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Documents. Okay, click on it. Now go ahead and find the document where you wanted to view the document history. For example, this one. Just click on it, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right and click on the three dots. Okay, just click on it. And as you can see here, we have this option called version history. Just click on it, wait for it to load. Now your document will load right here. Okay, we have this version, which is the current one, and the other versions that will be listed right here in dates or by week. Okay, for example, this one, earlier this week, 4 days ago, right? Just click on it if you want to view it. And once done, you can go ahead and click on this restore button if it's in the draft status, okay? But that's just basically how you view document history here in PandaDoc. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.